Hello, this is Operations in Algebra, a problem-solving plan, and it's example 1. We have a story problem, and these story problems are the most difficult things we do in algebra. And this one talks about the telephone company, long distance, 15 cents per minute, and the total bill was $10.95 for long distance, and how many minutes did you spend on the long distance call? The book talks about a problem solving plan, and I don't think it's possible for one person to tell another person what kind of plan to use. Every person looks at these differently, but one thing that's important is that you start getting it in your own words, your own handwriting, and you start writing things. If you just look at it and look at it and look at it, very often the answer isn't just going to appear. You have to start writing, and then when you start writing, you'll start seeing relationships, and it'll help you solve the problem. This is what I wrote in my own words. I say 15 cents each minute, 10.95 total. How many minutes? Well, when you know how much it costs for one thing, then you have to multiply times how many things you have. Like if this was 15 cents for each orange, we would multiply the number of oranges times 15 cents to get the total bill. And this will be a reoccurring theme in a lot of story problems. They might give us the number, how much money per gallon. That would be the amount of money for each gallon, and we'd multiply times the gallons. Or they'll tell us how many miles per hour. That's how many miles in 1 hour, and we'll multiply times the number of hours. So here it's 15 cents for each minute. That's 15 cents for 1 minute, and we'll multiply times the number of minutes. So that's 0.15 times the number of minutes, and that equals 10.95. See, now algebra is powerful because if you know how to solve this, 5x equals 20, we divided both sides by 5 to get x equals 4. Here it's the same thing. We just have to divide both sides by 0.15. So it's 10.95 divided by 0.15. And that's 73. So this represents 73 minutes.